Hey guys, I have my base and brows done. Just doing an everyday makeup look. I have really increased the amount of eyeshadow palettes that I have that I've really been playing with and liking, so I wanted to do something with those today. So I think I'm going to go into the NYX Butt Naked, I know these names are crazy, but whatever, palette. It's really great cool tones, so a lot of like grays and mauves, and it is a mix of matte and shimmer colors. So that is what we're going to go into today. I also recently purchased some Morphe eyeshadow brushes. So the MSQ ones that I've been using lately are okay, but they are not like individually labeled or anything, and I've really just wanted something, I don't know, a little bit more specific. So this was their, this was the Morphe, I'll leave it below. It was a kit that was designed to be eyeshadow brushes because I felt like that's really what I needed. So anyway, I'm going to go into the Morphe E17 brush, and these are not labeled in the NYX palette, so I'm going to go into this color, which is like a nice, cool, light brown. And I'm going to just put that right into my crease. I've noticed so I'm 36, well, almost 37 weeks pregnant right now. And I've noticed that I am swelling as of like mid, or I guess maybe beginning of week 36. Like this whole time I really haven't had much swelling or like water retention or anything. And I did consider myself, I guess, pretty fortunate, or I thought like maybe that wasn't going to happen to me. So if you're interested in my pregnancy updates at all, you should check them out. It's one of my playlists. I will leave a link above. They're probably pretty entertaining for any mamas out there. Alright, so I like this. This is the build-up I'm going for right now. So I'm going all the way into the inner corner and all the way out and just keeping this rounded shape. Okay, so I am going to go into one of the MSQ brushes. It's just a flat packing brush. And I'm going to go into this top middle shade. It is a light shimmery color, but it has a little bit of a pink tone to it. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M321, so a small pencil brush. And I want to put something a little bit darker on that outer corner. So I'm going to go in with the second one on this top row. It does have shimmer to it, but I don't care. And I'm going to put this in the outer V and mix it in with that color on the lower lash line. I know there are like rules about getting a little bit of kickback in the pan on this, about like where you're supposed to put shimmery shades, but I think you should do whatever you want. That is pretty. So it's slightly darker than the other color we were using, not a ton. Slightly darker, and it has some shimmer to it. Okay, and I'm going to use this color on my lower lash line as well. Okay, since I'm not getting much intensity from that, I'm going to go in with this color. It is matte and a bit darker again. Okay, so this one, we are getting that payoff. Okay, so the other one was pretty, but not quite giving us that dimension there. Okay, and that darker color I'm going to put on the outer portion of our lower lash line. It's like the outer third. So I'm going to go into my NYX, this is You're the Yin. So I'm going to line my upper lash line. We're going to curl our lashes and apply some Epic mascara. Okay, so I'm outlining and filling in with NYX's Lip Liner in Beige. It's got like some metallic mauviness to it, which is right up my alley. And a lot of times with these, I will just go over them with one of the butter glosses. So I'm going to go over with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. So even if the butter gloss slowly like wears off, so to speak, if it's like a long period of time before I get to reapply, the lip liner will stay and it's still like a similar color and it still looks really nice. And it's a relatively natural look, so it's not like high maintenance. If I don't add anything to it, it doesn't take away from it. It still looks pretty cute. Alright, so that is the finished look for just an everyday look for me. I really like mixing up the browns and the mauves and such. And I am going to have to change my hair soon. Partially out of boredom, but yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions on colors or ideas for this. Thank you guys so much.